Well, hello there ladies, gentlemen and all variations thereupon. Today we've got another quick video because as you watch this I will have moved. Now what I'll be doing today is fulfilling a promise I made to my brother a while ago. You see, he does a video game stream of a Sunday called Scary Sundays. A link to it will be in the description. And some time ago he finished The Evil Within for the first time. He's not very good with scary games. And once he finished it I donated and told him I would make a little plaque for him for his stream. So what I've done here is I've created the plaque by just wood burning. And the advantage using wood burning is if I hold on for quite a while, I can create quite a dark line to outline the lettering that I've got, and I'm wanting to create something that's got very harsh angular letters, which I can do easily with this point on the tip of the pen. But if I do a very slight quick touch as I angle the pen sideways, I can create a slight browning effect, which can look a little bit more like rust, as the game is full of things with like rusty nails and barbed wire. It ties in with the aesthetic of the game. And there we have it, the lesson to take away from the game. The evil within was the friends we made along the way. Or was it within us the whole time? I don't know.